Did you know Japan has over 6,800 islands? That's right. Among them, four main islands stand out, surrounded by thousands of smaller ones. And let's talk about speed. Japan's Shinkansen, or bullet train, can zoom at an incredible 200 miles per hour. It's a marvel of engineering. But Japan isn't just about cutting-edge technology. It's also steeped in rich traditions. Picture a serene tea ceremony or the breathtaking beauty of cherry blossoms in full bloom. This unique blend of ancient customs and modern innovation makes Japan truly captivating. Pretty amazing, right?